am doing my eyebrow routine finally. I have filmed this video a million times. I did not like how the content looked at or whatever, and the angles and the lighting and all that. I'm still new at trying to figure out everything and all that, so I'm finally doing it. So doing my eyebrow routine. I already have one side done. I'm gonna zoom in on that so you can see. I have one done already, and this is the other one. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see how my eyebrows looked before. So this is, of course, my right eyebrow. It's definitely different from my left, but everybody's eyebrows are different, so whatever. But I've been growing them out, trying to get them thicker, because lately they've, as you can see, it's kind of thin. Like once it gets to like right here towards the end, it's kind of thin right there. So I've been trying to grow them to be thicker. Of course, I have done it before. Whatever, I have a video on how to get thicker, fuller eyebrows, so you guys should go watch that video as well, and seeing how, you know, the difference in my eyebrows or whatever. And I don't like that, so just to grow them out fuller, of course, you know, I got to get back into using all of that. I have not made my, I don't know what to call it, a serum, my little mixture or whatever that I use for my eyebrows that I make myself, which is also in that tips video, so you guys should go watch that if you want to know how to get thicker, fuller eyebrows. So yeah, anyway, so let's go ahead and just get into this video, which is my eyebrow routine. I don't want to talk too much about it, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so as I showed you before, this is my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie, and you know, I'm just going to brush them out, to shake them out, just like that. Then I'm going to go into my Pomade and chocolate. So I'm on my brush, and I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm kind of gonna go, if I can see, let's see, okay. Make sure you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. So I'll zoom back out so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks crazy right now, I know, but that is okay because we're gonna fix that with some concealer. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, of course. It is closest to my skin tone, and I don't put it on a brush or anything. I'll zoom back in so you guys can see. I don't use a brush. I use the actual thing here just to shape it out or whatever. And I kind of like to go like this, so I know that they're even or whatever. I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see the whole thing of what I'm talking about when I say that. So kind of go like this. It's kind of like where they would meet if I had done them both on camera at the same time. So just go like that, and then like this underneath. Okay. So now I'm gonna go into a flat top brush like this, and this one is from BH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go into this one here, and that is what I'm gonna use to blend it out. And zooming back out, this is so that's my left and then my right. So this is completed eyebrows. As you can see, both eyebrows together. Zoom in so you guys can see what they look like. So this is what they look like that. So that is how I do my eyebrows. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.